Hi guys, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to be exploring the Disneyland Hotel in Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Alright, let's take this room tour and probably some hotel tour. Roll that intro. Alright guys, well, if you remember from our last Disneyland series, we sort of took a tour of the grounds of Disneyland, so I'll link that video up here so you can check out the full grounds tour that we did. But this time we're actually staying in the Disneyland Hotel, so I thought it would be good to give you a little tour of our room. We have a premium view of downtown Disney. I'll show you that. We'll save that for the last. That's the best part. We'll save that for the last. But anyway, let's just take the tour of the hotel room. Okay, guys, so as you come in here, we have our luggage right there, but we got a nice little stand. Sit down, put your shoes on or whatever, right as you're going out. Also, if you remember from the last video, like the different Disneyland lands are represented in the towers here. So we're in the Adventure Tower. So like Adventureland at Disneyland has like the Jungle Cruise. This is a picture of the Jungle Cruise at Disneyland. But they have just those little touches all over just to sort of like theme it to the land that you're in. But just a cool touch, I think. But anyway, before we go too deep, right by the front door, you spin over here. And this closet, I don't know, guys. You could like stay here for a while. This closet is huge. And there's a safe back there and everything. But it's nice. Ironing board and iron. Right next to the closet, you got the bathroom, and this thing is actually kind of neat how they did it. But first, check out this lovely sink they got going on here. It's huge. I don't know, that's like gotta be 7 or 8 feet long, guys. It's huge. And there's all kinds of storage underneath too, which is super nice. And check out the cool Mickey hand light sconces there holding up the light. That's really neat. I love it. Of course, you got your Disney H2O products, as you would expect. Another Mickey hand holding up the wall of the light there. Keep going this way. You got the shower. It's kind of like funny how it looks like this is like retro tile that they just inlaid some new stuff around. But it's kind of cool. I like it. I like it. They do have one of these things because they have a really nice pool here. So they have one of these things you can pull out and hang up your bathing suits on. So I really appreciate that in these showers. Oh, I forgot to point out this too. All the knobs are like Mickey heads. And also in the tile right there, they got hidden Mickeys. Anyway, from the shower, they have a separate room here for the bathroom, which is nice. And remember how I said we're in the Adventure Tower and they have adventure-themed stuff? Well, this is Tarzan's treehouse from Disneyland. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, you know, just your standard potty, but it's nice to have its own room. That's always nice. Back outside the bathroom, right by the front door, we just keep spinning this way like we're coming into the room. There's actually a really nice size TV there. And we have some, like a little coffee maker. And we have like an ice bucket and stuff like that, and all kinds of drawers, which are really nice. Soft closed drawers there, it seems like. But also, there's a huge fridge in here. Really good size. Store your goodies in. And right next to that, we have this lovely desk to work at. It's really nice. The one thing it doesn't have as many plugs as like the Gray Californian, but it does have several plugs in this room, which are nice. Check out the hidden Mickey on the lamp right there. Hidden Mickey! Okay, right behind all that, we have the beds. And, oh, I love this picture. It's Walt walking through the castle. It's amazing. This hotel has the feels. But we got two queen beds, which is nice. And this like nightstand is super big for like, what you usually get in a hotel. So that's really nice. But yeah, there's 2 nice sized queen beds in here. And above it, that's Sleeping Beauty's castle. And if you hit this button on the lamp here on your stand, it starts playing music. And you get fireworks above the castle. How cute is that, guys? Okay, from the beds, we'll spin over this way. There's like a nice seating chair here with a nice lamp. And check out these windows. Okay, Here's the view, guys. I'm going to have the big reveal. I mean, this is amazing. We're on the 8th floor here, and it's literally floor to ceiling windows. And this is our view, guys. This is downtown Disney right here at Disneyland. You got like the Earl of Sandwich and stuff like that, but the Pixar Pier Hotel's right there. And I'll zoom in. But that's DCA right there. That's the Incredicoaster. That's Guardians. And right in front of it, the gray thing, right above the green roof line of the Grand Californian is Grizzly Peak. Keep scrolling this way. You can actually see the thing with a spire on it right there is actually Space Mountain. There's the Matterhorn, Splash Mountain, and Galaxy's Edge. And actually, if we get close to the window here, that's the new parking garage that they just built. And you can sort of see the covered walkway that leads from the parking garage over into downtown Disney. So as you know, guys, with our hotel reviews, we like to stay in the hotel for a day or two just to get a good feel before we do the whole property tour, because we like to get a good feel for what there is and our general thoughts, because like our initial impressions might change. And you know, that happens to you. You might go into something and you think, oh, this is awesome. And then after a few days, you're like, oh, but this thing and this thing. So anyway, that's how we like to do our hotel reviews specifically. So that's what we're going to do with this one. So we're going to cut this here, but we'll pick up with probably a little property tour and our final thoughts of the hotel. So stick around, see you in 1 second. Okay, guys, we're going to continue the hotel tour here. We're just right outside the Adventure Tower. But I want to go this way into the hotel to check something out. This is the entrance right there, but if you swing around, it's the Disneyland Hotel. It's like the Sorcerer Mickey had. There's Tinkerbell right there. It's pretty neat. But anyway, we're just right back there. We just swing back around here to the main courtyard here. Remember I said all the towers are themed like the lanes of Disneyland? Like this is the Fantasy Tower right here. And the Adventure Tower's right here. And that one way off in the distance is the Frontier Tower. I think we're going to take a quick look here at the pool. Well, one of the pools, but right in front of the pool there, got some topiaries. This is actually two different pools right here. There's a pretty big one right there. There's a hot tub right behind it. There's another pool right there. This hotel is really nice with the pools. Plenty of seating and everything right there. Let's take a quick trip into the Fantasy Tower and see what they got. First thing, when we come in, we got the sundries and things like that.
I know, that sounds good.
Snacky things and whatnot. And bathing suits and things. So anything you would need, like if you're here and you wanted a quick snack in the room, or if you forgot your bathing suit, they have those here too. We got Chip walking through the lobby. This is the one thing about this hotel. The characters do come around pretty often. Anyway, we're just right back there. Spin around this way is the hotel front desk. The one cool thing about this lobby, since this is a Fantasy Land, area. Oh, Chip's gonna go play with the kids, I think. But they have like the chairs are themed like the teacups. The teacups are back in Fantasyland and Disneyland. It's pretty cool, huh? Okay, from the front desk, we're just gonna swing this way. This is actually the main entrance right here to the hotel when you get dropped off. They have this giant map of Disneyland, and they even have like some things like this is the Astro Orbiter going on right there. Like projection things, it's pretty neat. The Matterhorn bobsleds and Dumbo. But anyway, right past the main entrance and all of that is actually the main gift shop. And I would highly recommend stopping in here because this is one of the nicest gift shops they have here in a hotel. It's huge. I mean, they got like sweatshirts and spirit jerseys and things like that. We're not going to look too much, but if you're looking for something, I'd suggest coming in here. It's a nice gift shop. Anyway, right past the gift shop, we'll head this way. A nice painting of Sleeping Beauty's castle right there. This side is like where the main convention areas are and convention rooms and stuff like that. So this hotel, it does host a lot of conventions and whatnot. But if we keep going, look at this wall of memorabilia they have here from all these old school Mickey things. Disneyland, very vintage, pretty neat. And right up there is more convention space. But right here, they have an old Autopia car. Right past that, they do have Steakhouse 55, which is their fancy steakhouse. And Goofy's Kitchen, we actually ate there last night. And if I have some footage, I think I have some footage here. I'll go ahead and put it in, but the buffet is super nice. The food is kind of like, I would say Disney character buffets aren't the usually great food, but it's pretty good. But the character interactions are where it's at. They're very interactive, very lively in there. So if you're looking for a fun character breakfast or dinner, I'd highly recommend it. The steakhouse and Chef Mickey's was right down there, but we come up these stairs. Check out the LED Mickey on the ceiling right there. That's pretty neat. This is just up in some convention space, but if you get a chance to walk through here, I'm not going to show you all the pictures, but if you get a chance, come up here for sure, because they have all kinds of cool art all around these meeting rooms. Okay, we just came out of there, right by Goofy's Kitchen. They do have a coffee house here. You want to grab like a quick snack or something in the mornings, you can come here. It's open from 6 to 11:30. But also, it's Dale! The characters are out. We even have Chef Goofy over here. Minnie and Pluto. All the characters are out meeting and greeting. Like I said, this is one of the cool parts of this place. They have all the characters walking around and you could hop out and meet them. Okay, they have a water slide there shaped like a monorail. But as you can tell, the monorail, it's mid-January, so they're probably just refurbing it because not many people are going to be in the pool in mid-January, even though it is upper mid-60s right now, but they're doing some refurb. But they have another pool over here too, and this is another view of the other pools. There's a whole lot of lifeguards and nobody swimming, but I can't really blame them though because it's a little cool. But right past there is the Tangora Terrace, and here's for like a look at the menu for breakfast. You got those things. Lunch, you got burgers, specialties. At the bar, which is where we might go, because it's Trader Sam's right around the corner. I'm not sure we can go there or not, but we might look. But anyway, this is also like, if you're Disney fans and you want to get like a Dole Whip or something here outside of the park, this is where you come. Here's like a look at the actual menu in here. Like a poke bowl, and ooh, Hawaiian platter looks pretty good. You got some ramen that actually looks really good. I don't know. It all looks delicious. And the poo-poo platter. I'm glad they have pictures here. Helps you guys see what it is. We actually got the beans last time, and I wasn't super impressed with them. They were just kind of okay. But the wings were delicious. Okay, we're here at the bar at Trader Sam's, and we're going to try the child. It's the secret, not so secret drink they have here. If you guys watch The Mandalorian, you might know of Baby Yoda. Well, they have a drink that sort of looks like Baby Yoda here. We're going to give it a shot. Okay, guys, here it is. You can sort of see the smile, the eyes, the ears, and the little robe. Have to try it and see how it is. Hey, Eric showed up, and I've had a few sips of the child now. My thoughts are it's really good, especially if you like sweet things. You'll love this. It's kind of sweet, like it's straight Midori and pineapple juice and a little Malibu. It's good. It's really good. I would highly recommend squeezing the limes into it because that kind of takes away just a little bit of the sweetness. Gives a little tart, like sweet and sour, type thing. But it's getting a thumbs up for me. I'd highly recommend stopping here at the Disneyland Hotel. Even if you're not staying here, I think this is worth a trip over here to Trader Sam's, don't you? I mean, everything's so close. It's like centrally located. Yeah, it's very centrally. It's like right in the middle of everything. So, great place to come if you're hungry or want a little beverage. All right, let's keep going with our hotel tour here. All right. Well, we're back to our adventure tower here. So, let's go back to the room real fast and give you some final thoughts. All right, well, that was our tour around the Disneyland Hotel. Would I recommend this place to anyone? Yes, I would. I love this hotel. It gives you the feels all the way around. It's classic Disneyland. The rooms here are huge and nice. Our view, if you get the premium view, is nice. I will say this, though. Just be aware that there is loud music going on in downtown Disney a little bit late at night because downtown Disney is actually open till like 1 or 2 a.m. depending on the day. So it could be a little party scene, and we're on the 8th floor and I still heard it. So just keep that in mind. If that bugs you, I would choose like a pool view room. Chef Goofy's was amazing. Our little lunch we just had at Trader Sam's, delicious. The gift shop here is amazing. I don't know, guys. There's just so many things to like about this hotel. I don't think you can go wrong. If you're thinking, hey, I'm going to choose, you don't even have to do club level like we did, because we did the e-ticket club, which is nice, but club level here at Disneyland doesn't anything like club level at Disney World. There isn't as many things they do for you. That could be a whole other video. But anyway, I'll just say that much. I mean, it is nice that you can go up and grab some like snacks and food and stuff like that just to help offset the cost a little bit, but it doesn't totally offset the nightly average. So my thought would be just get a deluxe pool view room if you're here, and it's on like one of the lower floors, but it looks over the pool. I think that would be just a great view and a great budget option here at this hotel. Before we wrap up, though, I'm going to get Eric's thoughts, because it's always good to get a second opinion to see how people thought. So I'll have Eric hop in the chair for a second, give his thoughts. Okay, guys, so final thoughts on the hotel. So it was surprising how awesome this hotel was. I really thought, like, I didn't really expect to get, like, I guess Keith said, the feels, with the hotel like I did. Plus our room is really huge, and I feel like you could probably comfortably sleep 4 in here for, your whole vacation, like 5, 6, 7 days, whatever you decide to stay out here, and be totally comfortable. So I was impressed by the room. The bed was super squishy. The headboard thing was pretty awesome. Like, we totally left that on like all the time, But then, like, the distance to the park, wasn't terrible. If you're in a hurry to get back, you gotta know that it's like all uphill to get back here, but it's all downhill to the park and uphill back, which, makes sense. It's not bad. The monorail's right outside, so, just go through security and monorail's right there, so that's pretty convenient. So overall, I would love to stay at the Disneyland Hotel again. It's definitely top, like if this was just like down a little bit farther, like maybe where the Grand California is or something, then this would totally be like the top hotel that you have to stay at. But I feel like if at least you just take one day to come over and visit, even if you're not staying here. So I guess I'll go ahead and wrap it up here. Pass it back to Keith. Those are all some good thoughts. And I don't know, I would highly recommend this hotel to anyone if you're looking for a little bit cheaper option than the Disney or Grand California. Excellent hotel. This is, honestly, for me, it doesn't even matter the distance. For me, this is like my number one hotel out here, guys. And I hate saying that because I love the Grand Californian, but this one there's so much more with the characters running around, and it gives you the feels, and it feels like classic Disneyland to me. So I don't know, that's kind of why I feel like this might be my number one. But anyway, we'll leave it up to you guys. Let us know if you've been here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, or if you were thinking about coming out, which one you would stay at, the Grand or this one. Anyway, we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.